Absolutely. Yes! Yes! I wouldn't even hesitate. Yes!
Yeah, need it, yeah, work it, yeah.
Yo, chill out. What? Why is she screaming? Chill. Wait, what? Kobeni freaked out and tried to drink toilet bowl water, so I knocked her out. Yo, this chick, yo, I swear. Okay, bro. Holy shit. Wait. Ha! Oh my god. Oh. Wait, what? That's the most abrupt cut. Whoa. Fuck. Whoa. Like, I didn't even realize this was even seen. That just caught me off guard. She was smacked in the face by some random. What is that? What? Hell no. 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 Gonna be an L. What is she trying to do? Yo, no, they make. Yo, who wrote this show, bro? They know how to make terrible first impressions of their characters, bro. But what? Get out my sight! Get out my sight! I don't want to see you anymore. Oh, what? Wow. She just appeared. Look. Wait, she wasn't even... Bro, she didn't even make a sound. Hey, yo, suck my dick, bro. What? Look. What? No, she's an L, bro. I don't like her already, man. I want you to understand, she's the same person, the exact same person that said, we devil hunters don't live long anyway, might as well smoke. She got him into smoking, the thing that takes years off your life anyway. Slowly, probably more than this or whatever. Still takes it away though. And the chance to get out of this situation, very simply, she's like, no. Okay. Alright then. You. I have no words, man. Kobeni is almost as bad as Power, bro. It's been one episode. That's crazy. She said like 4 lines and she's already as bad as Power, bro. I hope you're proud of yourself, you New Balance wearing freak. That it's 100% your fault. Don't do this, bro. I swear, bro. I'm going to get mad, bro. I'm going to get so. You found the infinite money glitch, bro. That's crazy. Why does he know what's perpetual motion? Why does he know what that is? This guy has been broke and homeless for the past 16 years, and he's talking about perpetual what? 3 days? They've been going at it for 3 days. Bro said already, it's been 3 days. Give it a rest. Check in and do what, bro? Go get some lunch and get them do shit. What are they talking about? What? What are we doing here? What are we pretending like these two actually did anything, bro? They've just been panicking for the past 3 days, actually. How do this... Do all devils just communicate on like the internet or something? How do they all want to get him? Like, how do you know? What secret? That he can turn into a fucking chainsaw man? I don't think she would have hired him if she didn't know that. Why else would she have... Yo, are these niggas stupid? I'm getting mad. Am I just thinking too far ahead? Fucking days, bro. I'm not a fan of these type of characters, bro. These kind of like shy type characters, high pitched voice type characters. I'm not a fan of them personally. She's talking about drinking a little more. She's trying to get him on a case. She's trying to do it incapacitated. Bro, say no. Just give it up. Hell no, that's a case. You're trying to kill me, you better give her the pussy, fam. Just a kiss. Are you dumb? Are you a goon? Tell me you'll hold me once more, please. I'll give you some, trust me.
What?
Oh, no! 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 Oh! Oh! My days, I got shook. Yo, they need to stop making these characters do this, bro. She just teleported, bro. Oh my, stop selling, bro. I want both. Stop selling. Yo! Wait. Oh, shit. Wait. Oh, wait. Just look at the action, bro. Look at the action, bro. I can tell, bro. She gives S their top. Yo. What? Random, what is this imagery? Get this out my sight. Yo, I take that back. I don't need this, bro. Oh, this is so... No, I can't. Yo, I can't watch this no more. Yo, no, nope, I'm done. I'm good. GG's, end it here. She sounds like a Gerber, bro. Oh, my days, age up, please. Yo, nah, she's a real predator. Oh, wait. I may have changed my... No, actually, no, I just clocked. God, she better start riding, bro. Look at the diamonds of the bust. Yo. Damn. Wait. Yes. No. Why? She's taking off your velcro. She's taking off the velcros, bruh. No, I cannot allow this, bro. She's getting the dogs out. I cannot allow it. My days. Oh, shit. I don't need a POV from her side. I need it the other way round, nigga. Like, damn. I did not understand. Thank you. Yo, she is still fucked up. Because there's no way. She carried him here. Ready to... And she don't remember a thing. That was like bro, it hadn't even been 5 minutes. You have the, she literally has the memory of a goldfish because it's literally been like 3 minutes. How? Absolutely. Yes. Yes. I wouldn't even hesitate. Yes. That nigga is so, he is the realest nigga in any anime I've ever seen. He's asking the realest questions, bro. Like, bro. Nah, there needs to be, I don't know some anime reviewer needs to make like some video on this, bro. I can tell Himeno's ran through, bro. Like, she's ran through. Like, nigga, you need to control yourself. You are a problem. You are like a menace. EZP has some competition. You are a problem. He had to stop. Oh my days. If Denji's the horniest man alive, if he had to stop you, you have a serious issue. You are a demon. What is wrong with this man, bro? Yeah, I'm denying, bro. No friend is vomiting in my mouth. Respectfully. I'm being the shit out of them. Respectfully. What? No. I'm damn near close to crying, bro. It's been like 12 minutes. They nearly put my girl on the shirt. They've got me fucked. You're pissing me off. You're irritating me. You're actually gonna get me pressed. Yo, this anime is whatever the opposite of an antidepressant is, bro. Don't show me this imagery, bro. You're pissing me off.
Niggas envy off, Blicky got the
Ain't
snippy
no
off.
way. Nah, they go granny with the sticky. They got it with the blicky. No way. No way. No way. What type? Whose grandma is this? I quit. I'm done. Whoa! This scene is crazy. Oh! Yo, nah, this anime is sick. What is this? This is some Jujutsu Kaisen nonsense, bro. Imagine all that and he's still alive. That would be crazy. What? Yo, no. Oh, nah. Just some King Bradley movements. Hold on. Yo, this nigga might be King Bradley. 0. Yo, you can see his cloak is already there. 2 frames. Yo. Goku could never. What? No, fam. No. We're not about to do this, bro. I can't take this, bro. There have been like 7 character deaths, bro. I can't take this no more. Please help me.
Look at the contracts, back to the trap. We know she mad if she go more crazy. Betty call Lizzie, I'm fucking up. Betty call Lizzie, I'm fucking her team. I know the key to pray. To clarify, I ain't no one. My toe back holding a gun. I talk my shit and I told my gun. Got Cam in me, girls, and that's gang, you see. I know you won't start on him, little brother. I know you ain't that silly.